Today I had a pinch me moment as I spent the day with Sam shooting her new collection with VDM The Label. Near Daylesford, here's Izzy. The pool, the whole area was absolutely amazing and the girls spent the morning setting up, and this is what Izzy brings for one night. So everyone got into the new collection and I took them all one by one to take photos of them in their bikinis. This is by far my favourite product photo shoot to date. Everyone absolutely crushed it and looked so beautiful. At around 4 p.m, everyone went and got ready and I took some more photos of the girls in the evening dresses. And as you can tell, Bill just loved being on the floor the whole day. Then the bartender came and set up and we had the private chef from Baby Pizza who cooked us the most amazing food. It was like crab pasta, prosciutto, everything you could ever imagine and want. This whole day was so phenomenal. I spent the rest of the day taking final shots of everyone in their outfits, the cake, the food, and then said my goodbyes. Everyone was so beautiful. The day was amazing. I left at like 8 o'clock and this was the sunset.